Bob!
What's up?
What you doing?
Oh, we're scuffing.
You scuffing?
Scuffing.
Oh, you got it scuffing. Look at your
scuffing.
your hand has you got a boo boo on your hand, man.
Oh, yeah.
You're scuffing too hard. You're
yeah.
supposed to work on the
My
metal.
nail split. I hit one of those corners and
Oh, dude.
yeah, that good stuff.
Oh man, you know, just thinking about that, my knees get weak. I want to fall on the ground.
Ah.
You know, but you're on it. You're on it.
Yeah.
Orale!
Órale.
Hey, Willie Bob, what you doing? Ooh, look at that blue. Hey, Willie Bob,
What's up?
what you doing?
We're mixing some paint here, see?
Ooh, man, I can smell it here. Ooh, that's a tasty batch.
Oh, yeah.
What color you call that?
We call it, well, it's half satin and half, flat black, so what do you want to call it?
Well, it's got to have a driven name. It's got to have a Willie Bob name.
Yeah, Willy Bob Satin Black.
Woo! Hey, Willie Bob, what you doing?
Bernie Sanders here, man.
Bernie Sanders, you gonna
Yep.
do some color sanding?
Sandy.
Ooh.
Sandy.
And
Gotta
a
make it shiny.
shiny.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Gotta block this part here because it was a little wavy.
Ah, okay. Looking good.
Top of the car, nice and pretty.